Hi there, this is Mufaddal with Apple Vibes. Are you ready to blow your minds? Because this video has exclusive MacBook keyboard shortcuts and tricks that will probably amaze you a lot. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single trick in this video. So without further ado, let's dive in, shall we? Did you know you could change your Mac's background with two simple keys like this? Select the image and two simple keys. Voila, our background has changed. Follow along to know more cool tricks like this. For this, we'll head to System Preferences, then our keyboard, and on the keyboard we have Shortcuts. Under Shortcuts we have Services, and Services, the first thing we have is Pictures, Set Desktop Picture. So here you have to select this and you can choose whatever keyboard shortcut you want. But you'll have to note you can't put a shortcut which has already been assigned to another shortcut. So you'll have to be thorough with assigning shortcuts. So I have assigned Command and period over here, and that's how I can change my background with two simple keys on the MacBook. Next is searching on Google directly by selecting the text from wherever you want, and I have set my custom command as Command Option Control NG. You can do this on the internet, on your Notes app or Pages, wherever you want. You can search Google directly by searching the text or the paragraph, whatever you want. Command Option Control G is my custom command for this. I'll hit the shortcut and it will search for that sentence, it will search for that word on a new tab with Google itself. And this is how you do it in System Preferences, Services, and scroll down to Searching. Here you have Search with Google. Select it and set it to whatever you want. Or if you don't know what to set, you can just use my custom keyboard shortcuts which I have set, which is Control Option Command NG. You can start using Search with Google. Okay guys, with two simple keys, no tab, no command and no app cycles, you can move focus to windows of the same app, and you'll use this command 1,000 times daily for sure. In my mission control you can see I have 4 tabs open for Safari itself, the same app. So I can scroll through all the windows using two simple keys. I am using command and single quote over here. As you can see, it makes using apps very convenient on your MacBook. For this again we'll go to our System Preferences, same keyboard shortcuts. This time we'll go to keyboard, and here you have an option to move focus to next window, and I have set this to command and single quote. So you can set to whatever you want, or you can set it to command and single quote. If you press command and plus or minus sign together, that will zoom out or zoom in the icons and fonts or images on other apps. Like on Safari, if I'm on a website, if I press command and plus, that will zoom into the text. But just adding option key to the combination, you can now zoom into the whole screen. So I'm holding command, option and plus. This is of course after creating a custom keyboard shortcut. I can now zoom into the whole screen. So you can do this on any application you may be. It will zoom into the whole screen, not just the application. So for this we'll go to System Preferences, and this time we'll go to Accessibility, and here you have an option to zoom in and zoom out. Just select this option, and I suggest you don't change anything. Just hit option, command, minus and plus, and that will zoom in or out to the whole screen of your MacBook. If you are using multiple desktops or apps in full screen mode and you need to get to desktop 1, in mission control you can see I have full screen apps and desktop 1 and 2. Without swiping 3 to 4 times or going to mission control, just you have to hit two simple keyboard shortcuts. So I am at desktop 2 and I want to go to desktop 1. All I have to do is hit control and 1, and that will take me to desktop 1. You saw right, I was on desktop 2, and very conveniently with control and 1 without swiping 3-4 times, I am at desktop number 1. For doing this, we'll again go to System Preferences, this time mission control under shortcuts, and at the bottom you have switch to desktop 1. It is already set to control and 1. I think I have set it myself to control and 1. You can set it to control and 1 if you want, and now you can switch to desktop 1 very conveniently on your MacBook. Subscribe for more content like this pumping every week. Also watch some more cool videos from my channel, and if you like this video, if you liked a single trick from this video, please do give this video a like. Thanks for watching. My name is Mufaddal, this is Apple Vibes. Take care and I will see you in the next video.